else, I just wanted to say I am sick. So that's why you're getting a low voice and everything. Yada yada yada. I'm sick. My voice is a little weird and I'm sorry about that. But today we are actually opening up this little Juicy Couture mystery bracelet box, and apparently it comes with 3 Juicy Couture bracelets that you have to make in each boxes. Now this is something that I've been able to buy in Couture stores in Denmark at least, so I don't know how it is with other countries, but yeah, in Denmark. Did I just say that? I'm sorry, I also have fever. I'm a little delulu today. Anyways, it's very cute. I love Juicy Couture so much, and I'm very excited to see what I have inside here. And on this little dangly thing here, it says, will you find a rare crystal heart? I hope so, because I feel horrible. Anyways, this is what the packaging looks like. I love the crown, love the ribbon. Yeah, and it also comes with a QR code if you don't know how to make it. And I think the company that is making this is Make It Real, which is actually from the US, I think. Anyways, let's open it up. How cute. How so cute. How very cute. Okay, I'm gonna remove this little thing here. Now we can open here. Okay. And here, I love this, the little crowns. How pretty. Oh no, I'm ruining it. It's okay. And I guess these are the bracelets in gold packaging for Juicy Couture. I'm sorry, I just ate very spicy soup because I'm trying to get good again, and sometimes when I swallow I get pieces of the spice back up again. Anyways, so it comes with this little user manual, and it's okay. It says box 1, box 2, box 3. It says like how you make the bracelets for each boxes. I guess we're just going to open, see what we have first. Ooh, some green and pink and gold little golden beads. Yes. Okay. And then the next one is this pink something and some golden things here. And lastly, we have I just realized I forgot to take off the heart filter from photo booth to film this. See, I'm a little like far away. I can't even open this. Oh well, I guess this is my first heart filter video on my channel. And the last one we have blue, pink, and I was going to say orange, but it's blue, pink, lighter pink, and golden something. I'm just gonna see what box I might have with like some pink string. I have box number 1, so I guess I will be making those. Okay. Hello everyone. So I'm back after maybe 40 minutes or something of making these bracelets. Because I'm sick, maybe it took a little longer, I don't know. But these are the results. So the first one is like this. It's like a little diamond. Very cute. It looks very small, but I have very small wrists anyway, so it's not that big of a problem. Then we have this with a hot air balloon and a little diamond thing on it, and yeah, it's very cute. I did the bracelet exactly like they told me to do on the paper, so I followed the tutorial if you want. And the third bracelet is basically this. It says Juicy in rainbow colors, same colors as, no, it's not the same colors, I don't know why I said that, but it's it matches, I don't know if you can see the green, the dark, is it green? No, it's blue. The diamond and the Y and the hot air balloon and the sea matches together, and on the back there's this bead that is like this crown on one side and then Juicy Couture on the other, and it closes like this. And so this is what the result is. I am very happy with this little box. I think it cost 49 Danish kroners. So yeah, if you're interested in how much it costs approximately, convert that to your local currency and you'll find out. I'm sorry, I'm not I could have googled, I'm sorry about that. Maybe around $7 US, and same with euros, like 8 euros or something. I have no idea. Anyways, would I recommend this? Yes, if you have like tiny children's wrists like me, yeah, do it. And also, if you don't have that, do it anyways. I think this is such like a sweet and cute little thing to do when you're sick, for example, and you're stuck at home. So yeah, I'm really happy with what I got in my box, and I hope one day I get to have box number 5 because it looks so much fun. Yeah, I really want it, but you know, whatever. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all healthy and healthier than me. I have not tested positive for, the pandemic illness. I am avoiding to say the word in case YouTube still has like some weird censorship with that. I don't think so I don't know. Probably just the flu or something. I have bags. Yeah, I'm very happy about this at least, and yeah, I will see you another day. Hopefully not filming from my bed. And yeah, have a wonderful day. I love you all so much.